Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Dazola Designs Yarn Yap. Woohoo! I'm so excited to be here. Oh my, to be here with you guys. Sorry. Check it out! What am I wearing? No, I didn't just create this in the week. I wish. I made this like, I don't even know, 3, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, maybe now it is. This is my Cocoon Cardigan, and I was thinking of things to wear. I do crochet. I don't know if you know that, but I love this so much. I used mandala yarn. This is not the color. The color I used was Warlock. So this is Warlock. I do have the tutorial for you all. I believe it's kind of like an intermediate tutorial. I'm trying to think, I should have watched it a little bit, but I was so excited. I'm like, what can I wear? I'm like, oh my God, I saw this in my little cubby because I have my shelves. I can't wait to be in the yarn room, actually. Anyway, I'm not gonna get sidetracked. I have all of my creations folded neatly, and I'm like, what can I wear? So I had this, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna wear that. It's so beautiful. Anyway, the tutorial, if you guys have seen my tutorials, I do it slow and easy, like I was talking about in the previous Yarn Yap. But if you guys would like to give this a try, I have the tutorial up. It's been up for quite some time, and I will have the link up above, and also all the links will be down in the description box. But I did use the mandala yarn, you guys. And if you guys have never used mandala yarn, it's super, super easy to work with. The colorways are always so super gorgeous. And I remember when I bought mandala yarn, it was only $4.99, and I actually just checked to see if this colorway was still available. It is still available, and the yarn skeins are now like $9. So wow. But mandala yarn, you can, if you guys have never worked with it, it's so easy to wear. I need to get sponsored by Lion Brand. It's so easy to work with, and it still is super soft. Anyway, I was going to make it a longer sleeve, but this sleeve is literally only, I think it's only like either it's a triple crochet or a double triple crochet, and that's how I did it. It's barely even anything. It's like a little cap sleeve, but this is literally only 4 granny squares. Like you can see the one granny square right here, and it's pretty intricate design, but then it just goes on to the regular granny square, and it's just 4 gigantic granny squares looped or sewn together. Not sewn, but joined together. And then it has the little edging right there, which is just a half double crochet. I love it so much. Every time, I used to wear this all the time, but I haven't worn it in so long. It's very lightweight, and it feels so nice. I used to get all kinds of compliments. Anyway, I'm so happy I'm wearing it for you guys. I should have just a regular skein. Anyway, I'm getting way off topic. I hope everyone's doing well. Thank you all so much for watching. I love this so much. If you guys would like to check it out, please check it out. You don't have to use mandala yarn. You don't have to use the yarn that I use. But what I do suggest, and I love that a lot of you guys are not using the yarn that I use. What I do suggest is that you use the same hook size. If you guys do my tutorials, please try and use the same hook size so the end project turns out the same size. If not, it's going to turn out a different size. Just keep that in mind. Please, 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 please. If you use a larger hook size, the end product will turn out larger. Maybe if you want it larger. If you use a smaller hook size, your project will turn out smaller. So please, please, please keep that in mind, okay? Just FYI. For this project, I think I used a 5mm hook. FYI, FYI, FYI. Speaking of projects, guess what I've been working on, but not really, but I figured out the pattern. It was taking me out. It took me out for a while. I know I've been talking about this forever, but this is how my brain works. It takes me a while. After this project, I'm not going to do anyone's projects anymore because I need to just focus on my own work. But I am very thankful for this person in doing their projects and in making this book, which, yes, I still have the library book. Over here in the Bay Area, there are no, like, first of all, there really, with our library system over here, there are no return dates, really. Like, you just kind of keep the book until someone places a hold on it. It's really, really interesting how the library works now. I was talking to the librarian the other day because I'm like, so we just like keep the books now? And they're like, pretty much, yeah, until like, you know, someone requests the book. So I don't know. Anyway, you guys, my brain. Anyway, this book is fabulous, you guys, but me trying to read another person's pattern and then me try, and it is like dyslexia, and it is just like me being a perfectionist, and then me like saying in my head, I don't like that. And then me redoing their pattern. And not necessarily redoing it, but improving it my way. And not to say that it's bad in any way, it's just doing it my way, if that makes sense. Like, I can't just take anything at face value. I have to say, I can not make it better, but make it my way. So that's what I do. And then it takes me an extra like month. And then it's like, okay, it turns into a thing, right? So that's what I do. That is my process. It's never going to change. I can't just do something to do it. I have to do it the Ann way. And that is the Ann way. And that's just me. Do you like it? That's just me. So I did it though, and it looks spectacular. And now I can do the tutorial, and it will allow me to sleep at night because I can do the tutorial knowing that it's going to look awesome. So this is the plant that I am going to do, and this is the book. The book is awesome. And then after I do some of my tutorials, I will revisit and do another plant because I think that they look very, very awesome. So what has taken me so long to do, and you're going to laugh? The silence is deafening. These little leaves. But they are so super cute now. Look at how cute they are. So you can see the bottom one. It was kind of, I didn't like the way it looks. It was off center. It wasn't even at all. I took it and I made it even, and I made it. And the thing is too, when I do the tutorials, I have to make it in a way where I can explain it very well and very easy on camera. And I took it and I made it in a way that I can explain it where it's easy for me to make it easy for you guys to understand, if that makes sense. So this is it. This is what I'm sticking with. And then I can go ahead and make several of these little vines. And I don't think it's supposed to be a succulent, but it looks more of a vine to me now. But regardless, it's going to be a cute little plant in a cute little pot with little dirt, like crochet dirt too, which is just like going to be a round. That's really easy to make. And I'm going to get a little clay pot, and then it's going to be in the background, and it's going to be super cute. So that tutorial is coming next. And then after that will be my stuff. And I will work on the suggestions that we made, which also is another segue into the crochet bag. The crochet bag. I was going to get the Premier Yarn cotton, was it Sprouts? It was a gorgeous colorway. It had the rainbow, it was like a off-white with the rainbow colors, like blue and red, orange, green, like that. But naturally, the colorway was just like boom, boom, boom. But what I didn't realize was the weight of the yarn. And it was a 2.5 millimeter hook. So I said, that's not going to work for a bag. So what I'm going to use probably is still Premier yarn, because I love the color saturation, and it is easily available for you guys if you want to order the yarn. But I'm going to use their cotton yarn, and I forgot the name of it. Hipster cotton is great, but I don't think that that would work with me because it's more of a tie-dye look, and I don't really like that. I do like it, but I don't think it would stick with me, if that makes sense. I don't know. I'm very particular, you guys. Anyway, I think this is enough of me yarn yapping. Because trust me, I could go on. My head is just let's get to this yarn giveaway, you guys. This yarn giveaway is phenomenal, and this yarn giveaway I could have added and added and added, and one of these days I am going to have a like 100 skein yarn giveaway, and I'm not joking. It's gonna be like Bag O Day, where she has the like gigantic box. I was going to do that today, but I held back. But one of these days I'm not going to hold back. Today I held back. One of these days I'm just gonna go for it, and I'm not gonna hold back. But today I held back. Why am I doing this? Because I love you guys, and I appreciate you guys, and because I can, and because I feel good. This makes me feel good when you guys write back to me, when I get your emails. I really feel, I'm gonna start crying. And I say that, you guys, it's not, I'm not joking in any way. Like this really, like, I do it because I can, and I do it because I want to, and I do it because I like to, and I do it because it makes me feel really good inside. So, and I just thank you all, and I say that all the time. And I just thank you guys so much for being here, for watching my videos, for even listening to me. The feedback that I'm getting is, it just makes me feel really, really good. And if even one person is watching, listening to me, listen to my nonsense, I appreciate you all so, so much. And I say this, I haven't said this in a while, but I wish we all lived close. So you could come over and we could be talking, in person. I really wish that. I hope someday that we could do that. I really, really do. That would be so awesome. I think that that would be so, so awesome. But anyway, I could do this for you. And I think this is super spectacular. And besides, I'm not going to do anything with this yarn. So I may as well give it away. So here it is, you guys. I've had this yarn for a really, really, really long time. And I see these people, and I'm just going to say this. I see these people with all this yarn. They're not going to do anything with that yarn. I used to be one of those people, okay? You have all this yarn. You're not going to do anything with that yarn. What are you going to do with that yarn? Give it away. There's so many people that can use that yarn. Anyway, much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. You guys, check out the Cocoon Cardigan tutorial. You guys are so awesome. Thank you so much for being here with me, Yarn Yap, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for being here with me. I hope you all are doing awesome, and please, please, please take care of yourselves and be awesome to each other. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye.